In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely customize the left-hand side menu with your own apps so that you can run your business all from one platform. So when it comes to integrating and customizing the left-hand side menu with your own apps, there's two different types of apps that you're going to be able to integrate. So the first type of app is the native apps inside of NexLvL. So for example, for every app that you see here, there's always going to be a few extra pages. So let's say I go to payments, and under payments, you're going to see that there's orders, there's invoices, and then there's products. If I wanted to shortcut the products page to the left-hand side menu, it's as easy as copying this URL and then adding it in the navigation menu UI section. So I'll show you how to do that right now. But basically what you've got inside of NexLvL is you've always got the main page, which is, for example, if I go to automations, there's the main page, but then there's always these sub pages like reporting, settings, etc. If I go to calendars, it's the same thing. If I go to calendars, there's always going to be these other pages inside. Okay, so let me go out of there. Database is the same. So you can see when you go to databases, I can go to companies. And if I wanted this page as a shortcut button in the left-hand side menu, it would be as easy as copying the URL from that page and then using that as the link in the UI. So I'll show you how to do that right now. But forms is something that we use often. So you can see here, we've already integrated this page directly to the left-hand side menu here, okay? Now I'm just gonna take products as the example here. So let's go into payments and let's go into the products page up here. And let's say I want to shortcut the products page straight into the left-hand side menu. I'm going to take this URL. So just everything after your domain, I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna go to settings on the bottom here. And then we're going to go to white label and then go to UI just up here. And that will take you to the system menu navigations. And then here is where you're going to customize the left-hand side menu. But if you're adding your own apps, you need to press this plus button that says add navigation icon. So I'm going to press plus, and this is where you can add any app, any page, any URL you want to the left-hand side menu. So what I'm going to do is, if you're adding a native application or a native page from NexLvL, then you're not going to have the choice to open it in a new tab. Okay, it's going to toggle that off, and you're not going to have that choice. I'm just going to name this, let's say, products. Okay, and I'm going to choose the icon color. I'm going to choose a icon that has something to do with products. So let's just type in the word shop and see what comes up, and I'll just choose that. That's a product. Okay, and then I'm going to save that, and you can see now it's saved this page right at the bottom. Now you want to drag this to wherever you want to place it. I like to do everything in alphabetical order. So you can see here, the menu icons that have this little blue URL link, they are the ones that you're manually adding to the menu on the left-hand side menu. And then these ones that don't have the blue links, they're the ones that are native, okay, to the app. But basically here, I've added a couple of the native apps. I'm going to just save this. You always need to save that. And now you're going to see that that products page that I've just added is now showing in the left-hand side menu here. And when I click on, let's say I go to forms, if I click on products, it's going to take me straight to that page. So it's going to bypass payments. So if I go to payments and then products, it's taking me straight to that page just by adding it like that, okay? Now, the other thing that you might want to do is add third-party platforms, okay? So you might have third-party apps that are specifically catered to your business, things like accounting software, or it could be, you know, a review management software. It could be any software that you use for your business or for your industry. So for this example, I'm just going to take a heyreach.io, which is our LinkedIn software. And we're going to take this URL, we're going to copy that, and we're going to go back to the settings page. go to white label, go to UI, and then we're going to add it here, which I've already done, but I'm going to show you. Actually, I'll show you a different one. Let's go to App Climbo. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to the navigation menu, and I'm going to put that into the left-hand side menu. I'm going to put that as a link, so you can see here. You can add as a full link. Now, this is where you get a choice whether you want to open it up embedded in the application. So this is going to open up inside of NexLvL. So I'll show you what that looks like. And I'll just call that reviews. And then I'm just going to choose red again. And I'm going to choose maybe a star icon or something like that. I'll just choose this one here and save. And again, remember, always save down here, otherwise it won't apply. But before I do that, I'm just going to drag this up to OPQR right there, just underneath the phone. The other thing you can do, guys, is you can hide any of these menus as well. So that's what the eyeball icon is for. It's for actually hiding. So if you wanted to hide that from your customers or from your users, you can do so just by clicking that show menu and just toggling that on and off. But I'm going to save all of this, and now it's saving the actual entire menu navigation on the left-hand side. So now you can see reviews is showing here. If I click on that, it's now opening up as a third-party app, but it's opening up in a new tab, right? If you want it to open up inside of NexLvL, then go back to settings, go back to white label, go back to UI, and go to reviews, go into the pencil icon and toggle this on. So now when I toggle this on, you'll see that it opens up inside of the actual app instead of opening up as a separate tab. Okay, so now if I click on reviews, it's now opening up inside of your NexLvL platform. Same thing with LinkedIn. If I click on LinkedIn, it's now opening up inside of NexLvL CRM. Okay, so that's how easy it is to completely customize the left-hand side menu with shortcuts and third-party apps. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the actual URL of every single page. So if you want the company page, I'm just going to link and show you in the description that that's the actual URL that you need to use inside of your left-hand side menu. So I'll link all of these different URLs to all the different pages that we have inside of NexLvL to make it easy for you to just pick and choose which page you want to shortcut. And then for the third-party apps, that's quite easy. You know already how to do that. So yeah, good luck with it. And what I would love to see is what you guys come up with in terms of your color palette and also in terms of what you've been able to add in the left-hand side menu to make your life easy. I would love to see what you guys do with it, and see you on the next video. Bye.